Welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is this brand washing machine, Whirlpool. The model is F FW DD1171. This brand this machine is 11 plus 7. The washer 11, dry 7 kg. Washer and dry. This machine having problem with the motor. This motor not working. The water take into the machine, and whatever we can select all the options, but water take into the machine and everything, but problem with the motor, not with the motor not rotating. Because of that, we have to check what is the exactly problem. The might problem with the control board, otherwise motor. We have to check both items. After that only we can recognize. We have to troubleshoot the problem. We will remove and check. First of all, we have to check the motor continuity, everything. After that, second step, we have to check the power control box. We will go to the next step. To remove the back cover, here screws. We will remove the belt first, and also here connector, harness. This one inverter motor actually, and we have to check the continuity with the motor, and we will check the continuity first. It look like motor is okay. It's showing continuity all the wires, winding. What I can do now, I having another motor. I will fix that motor. It is working motor, and I will check it is whether working or not. Confirm with the motor it is a problem with the motor or not, because this is same motor, and also new motor, this one. And we will give the connection here. After that, we can 100% we can check. We know it is problem with the motor or not. Now we will give the power connection. I will start the machine again. Now I given power. I am selecting again here direct spin and start the machine. It's showing spin and drain. Here motor start, drain pump is already start. It is showing remaining time 10 minutes. We will check the motor working or not. Yes dear, it's not working actually. This motor also not working. Now we know the problem. This is problem with the control board only. Now we have to remove the control board and we will check. If it is any problem, we have to repair. Otherwise, we have to replace replace the control board. This one here is very expensive control board with the main control board only. Because of that, we have to remove the main control board. We have to remove this one first. Up. After that, she'll come. Just like that. It will be difficult to take it out control board, but anyway, I already took it. Now we have to remove this guard. We can remove this one like that. Now you can see the harness. This one before removing, what I'm doing, I'm taking picture, because it will get problem while we are going to refix. Now we will remove the control board. Now no here any loose connection. If it is loose connection, this is the motor line, wash motor connector here. This one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wires are going here. This is the connector. This one we have to check here. It is no any damage. We will remove all the harness from the board. Now I already disconnected harness assemble from the control board. Now we will remove and check what is the exactly problem. After that, now we know 100%. We know the problem with the control board because power not coming to the motor. The control board from the cover. We have to remove here lock. Now we already I removed the cover. This is the control board. Now we have to check. It is look like no any defecting show, no any burning, no any shortage. This is the motor connector. This 12 wires, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. This one we have to check. Here having mospade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we have to first we have to check this mospade one by one. Also heat sink, we have to remove the heat sink if any defect. Now we will check and find out the problem. Now 100% we know problem with the PCB board only. Now we have to check all the mospade. This one got already 6 mospade are here. While we are checking, we found one mospade control board already gone. Yeah, this one is gone already. We have to replace this one. Now we can remove. This one already gone. This one already shorted. Now we are going to replace this one. This is okay. After that we can check machine motor working or not. Now we are going to fix this N channel mospade to the old board. After that we can check it is whether working or not. So suppose we will fix and we will check. Now we already fix. Now we have to fix again. Now we can check all 6 mospade whether okay or not. It is showing same continuity. It is almost 38.64. It is okay. Now finally we have to fix heat sink. After that we have to fix the harness assemble, and we will check the problem with the motor. It's not working. Now finally we fix N channel mospade and heat sink. Now I have to check with the washing machine it is whether working or not. Now already we fix. Now finally we have to check with the board. Before we have to connect the harness. And it will come like that. Now it's all the connectors will come like that. Now we can check the before fixing to the machine. Now we will check motor working or not. We will give the power connection and we will check one. Now I given already power connection. Again I'm selecting spin cycle, spin and drain, 1600 rpm, motor speed, 10 minutes remaining showing, and we will start. Door already got locked. Yes, drain pump start. Now we will check the wash motor whether working or not. If it is working, our job will be complete. Finally we have to fix everything, and we will check the motor working or not. Yes, motor start. You can see the motor. Yes, my dear friends, it is working motor. The problem with the control board, it is already mospade gone. After replacing, it is working perfect. This is the problem. If you are facing same issue, you can repair the control board. This control board is very expensive here in Dubai. It is almost 750 dirhams. It's very expensive. Because of that, I decided to repair this one. Now without any problem, machine is running. Now we have to fix permanently to the machine, and our job will be complete. Fix the Now I already fixed control board to the machine. Now I have to close this one. It's very difficult to take it out. It's a little bit difficult. It's other side. I lock this one. Now I have to put. Now I already fixed belt also. Now finally we will check one time. Finally we will check everything perfect. We fix everything, board, harness, assemble, belt, everything. Now again I'm selecting direct spin. Yes, you can see motor drum is rotating. That means motor start. My job already completed. Thanks for watching. We will meet with another video. Thanks again.